All right, what's going on, guys? And today we have an Audi RS3. This is my buddy's car. He said I could use it for the day, so I'm gonna take Grandpa for a ride. But this car has 400 horsepower, 370 foot-pounds of torque, and does the quarter mile in 11.9, and also has a 0 to 60 of 3.3 seconds. So it should be a real fun time. This will be one of the fastest, if not the fastest car that Grandpa's ever ridden in, and it is definitely the fastest car that I've ever driven. So it's a really fun car, but really excited to take Grandpa out, and we'll see what he thinks. So let's go ahead and head to Grandpa's.
Yeah, you told me it was a 5-cylinder?
5-cylinder turbo, 400 horsepower, 370 foot-pounds of torque, weighs 3,800 pounds, and
more than I thought.
Does a quarter mile in 11.9.
11.9, yeah, I just told Tom that.
0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds.
I told Greg that this morning, that our friends from New Richmond got back in, and then I told him you were coming over today and we were gonna drive this car because he's got a Tesla. He says it's 4.7 or something like that to 60.
Oh, this will be a lot faster than.
Yeah, but he said he drove one of those self-driving ones.
Oh, that's pretty freaky.
He don't like it at all.
Yeah, I was a little nervous doing the. I'm gonna grab that stick. There's a stick right there.
Oh, right in the middle. Yeah. Oh, good. Yeah.
But yeah, I was a little nervous doing the launch because you do it without traction control.
Oh, well, it's all-wheel drive. Okay.
Yeah, but when I did it earlier, all 4 tires spun.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
After this car, we'll be able to do it.
Okay.
All right.
That's the way where we were on.
That was 100.
It was so. My God, you just right at the beginning you're there. You're 30 before you know.
Yeah, yanks.
Oh my God. Oh, that's unbelievable when it gets going.
Yeah.
Oh God. Oh, listen to that there.
Yeah, that shifting sounds wicked.
Oh my God.
The launching's so much more fun though.
Oh my God. That thing just, you felt it going back on the seat. You were pushed.
Yeah.
I was pushed back in that seat.
Yeah.
Oh God. That is awesome. Maybe I'll get Grandma out here. You can take her.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I'll take Grandma for a ride.
Yeah.
She'll like it.
See what she thinks.
Yeah.
I mean, it's the fastest car I've been in.
Right? Yeah, it's like, I mean, I've driven the R8 and stuff, but I've never driven it like.
Oh, you never had it like this.
Yeah.
RS3. There goes that rabbit.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. The sound is actually perfect.
Right? It's not like loud,
Yeah.
but it's like right when it's only when you want it.
Yes.
And it shifts like it knows what's coming.
Yeah.
Like it downshifted right before that turn there.
There we go. Let's do it. Oh. Now. One more.
It usually doesn't do it in first. Yeah. Down to first.
Oh, that's good. Look at that stitching here.
Yeah, all this is Alcantara, like this part, and then this is leather.
Oh.
Yeah, it's crazy. It feels awesome.
It just puts you, it does actually hold you back, down in back of that seat.
Right? Yeah. It throws you in there
Yeah.
pretty good. I mean, even just like just giving it a little bit of gas.
Yeah.
You can, it's crazy how little input I'm giving the throttle.
And the seats feel so sturdy. They feel, to me, feel very solid. You know?
Yeah.
They're in their spot.
that crazy?
Oh my God, what a neat car.
It's so fast.
Oh.
It's like one of those things, like it makes you appreciate it,
Yeah.
but it also like makes you realize like,
Oh,
I couldn't drive this every day. I'd get a ticket.
Yeah.
You know? I couldn't control myself enough.
Yeah, you have to realize what you're driving.
Yeah.
Because 95% of the time you can't use it.
Yeah. But yeah, it doesn't look like super flashy.
Yeah. Wow, that shit fast.
Yeah.
I mean, it just, you can't snap your fingers at that fast.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
But yeah, it handles really good.
Oh yeah, it don't lean.
Yeah, the suspension, I mean, but it rides good still for being so stiff.
Yeah. Oh, that's fast. That is fast.
Isn't it
You
crazy?
can feel it, can't you?
Yeah.
Now this is, what's it called, RS3?
Yeah, RS3.
Oh, you're right. What was it?
65.
Okay. And it needs to get in the higher RPMs when it really goes.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Yeah. What do you think of the car?
I love it.
Yeah.
Makes you feel like a young whippersnapper.
Yeah. Heck yeah, this thing's fast.
I'm upside down.
Yeah. Oh, it'll change it later. All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh my God. Did Grandpa tell you about the policeman up here?
Yeah. Isn't that crazy?
Oh my heavens. I feel like you're in an airplane or something.
Yeah.
Take off. Well, no, an airplane goes slower than that. That's neat.
But yeah, this thing handles like crazy.
Oh my gosh, yes.
It just goes.
This is wild.
Isn't that nuts? we'll go slow now, but
That's all right now. I trust you wholeheartedly. What is that?
three-wheeler.
Oh. That just sounds fast.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah. Cool, you ready?
I'm ready.
Right. Launch control's really fun.
Oh, I bet.
Hopefully we can get a little stop in the traffic coming up here. Cool. Yeah, we got lucky again. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
I don't think I've ever launched that quickly before.
Oh yeah,
That's by far the quickest I've ever launched.
yeah. It freaking rips.
Oh my goodness. Oh, those downshifts were crazy.
Yeah, that's what Grandpa was like. He's like, oh, that sounds nasty. But yeah, it just like goes like wherever, you know, like the car doesn't sag much going into turns.
Jesus Christ. myself thinking corner. That's crazy.
Isn't that fun?
Oh my gosh.
It's almost
Yeah, I could not have this thing. I just drive all day.
Burn up all the gas.
I could do a tank a day.
What do you think?
That was incredible. Thank you so much for doing that.
Bro.
That was amazing. That's wild.
Yeah.
I think corners, like, I would not expect it to corner that well.
Yeah.